I recently made a long-term PS5 review and a lot of you liked it, so I wanted to make a review on what I think might be the best PS5 headset right now, the SteelSeries Arctis 7P Plus. First onto the design. As you can see, although these are not made by Sony, the color scheme seems to perfectly match the PlayStation 5. Overall, the build quality is great and feels quite solid. The headset features a durable steel headband which is firm and feels very premium. It does have some flex to it, so it definitely does not feel like it is going to snap when wearing it. As opposed to sliders on the side to adjust the size of the headset, we get this Velcro band instead that can be adjusted. I actually like this, as I find it easier to find a comfortable setting than with the slider like on other headsets. The ear cups are very hard plastic and can rotate, so it makes it easier to store them. The ear cups have a lot of cushion to it and again feel very premium. They feel a lot better than other headsets I've used in the past, such as the Sony XM3s. When it comes to gaming headsets, audio quality might be the main aspect we normally look for, but I think comfort should be just as important. This is because when gaming you might wear your headset for a few hours at a time. I've had this headset for about 3 months now, and have spent countless hours playing Warzone and other games, and I must say the comfort is probably the best aspect of this headset. They are very light, but heavy enough that you won't feel like they're going to fall off. I was previously using some Corsair headsets, and those used to be very uncomfortable on the ear and top of my head just after half an hour of use. The Arctis 7P Plus on the other hand can be worn for hours and you will forget you have them on. The Velcro band on the top and ear cups really help lift the pressure of the headset off your head, if that makes sense. Now onto the buttons. On the right side we have the power button and voice monitoring wheel. The headset can be turned on and off by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds. The light on the power button also lets you know how much battery life the headset currently has. Green is between 100 and 50%, yellow between 49 and 20, red is 19 to 10%, and fast blinking red indicates less than 9%. The voice monitoring wheel is used to hear your own voice through the headset. I tend to use this often to not speak too loud, as it can otherwise be difficult to hear your own voice when wearing the headset. The left side of the headset features the on-ear controls. First, we have the retractable microphone, which I will talk about later on. Next to the microphone we have the USB-C port, which is used for charging, a 3.5mm jack for audio sharing with another device, and a mobile cable jack for using the headset in wired mode. Next we have the volume wheel and microphone mute button. When muting the microphone with this button, a red light will light up on the microphone to let you know that it is muted. The headset has high quality speaker drivers which are great to hear subtle sounds. This has been great for me when playing games such as Warzone, where you need to hear the enemy footsteps. Another great feature of this headset is that it is fully compatible with 3D audio on the PS5, so that means you can enjoy a much more immersive experience when gaming. You can also adjust the audio profile of your headset by plugging them into your computer and using the GG software from SteelSeries. For this you can use an existing preset or create your own. You can only import one preset into your headset at a time, so if you want to change it for another game you will have to plug it back into your computer. As mentioned by SteelSeries, the retractable microphone uses a bi-directional design, the same used by aircraft carrier deck crews for superior noise cancellation, making your voice sound clear and natural. Here's an example. This is a microphone test of the Arctis 7P Plus in wireless mode. This is a microphone test of the Arctis 7P Plus in wired mode. This is a microphone test of the Sony Pulse 3D headset. Another cool feature of this headset is that as opposed to Sony's Pulse 3D, you can mute the microphone directly using the mute button on the DualSense controller. This is a small feature, but very handy. The battery life of this headset is very impressive. A full charge gives you 30 hours of non-stop wireless usage. The USB-C charging port gives you 3 hours of play with a quick 15-minute charge. As mentioned earlier, the headset can be used both wirelessly and wired. To use the headset wirelessly, you have to connect the included USB-C dongle into your PS5. This wireless 2.4 GHz connection ensures lossless and lag-free sound as opposed to compressed Bluetooth connection. The headset can also be used wired with the included audio cable. However, because of the great wireless connection and long battery life, I have always used the headset in wireless mode as it is more comfortable and convenient. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments what you think of this headset or if you have another recommendation for PS5 users. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.